Honorable Diana Mutasingwa ojwekire Minisita w'Ihanga w'ebyokwerinda orukujunanizibwa aha nshonga za banka zirwanaho asimira abo n'abarikwejumbira mu kushomesa abaana ahabw'okuba ngu niyo Uganda yanyensya.
It is not just a noble initiative, it is a strategic investment in the future of our nation. When we educate our children, we unlock the potential, the creativity and leadership.
That close your legs and open your books. You cannot do that two at a go. No, you cannot. So close your legs and do what? The moment you want to open your legs, we shall see it because it will automatically open. And you know when it opens at night, during the day, it comes out automatically. That is a good thing.
Abashomira hari Butare Senior Secondary School bagizire ngo ibintu kwatanisa n'abazire bishomereri okwenda kurutungura.
So twena twija buri mwaka tahwita fare ryar kubasa nimanya ngo ntukoraho mu buhanga. So abantu nyo nimbatero muranga ebe bintu byo kwebaganisamo byo kurwana abanya politics ebinebi ebyo mubanze mu biteka harubajo.
Ishomereri rinzu buriri abo kumbana banje munana barahanga yampire abana batarabashumira kandi bona baragamu.
Umukoro gutanitira n'ekitambo cya misa aho Reverend Father Severino Sundugwa ashabera abeji okushoma bine kigendererwa habo burunju bwa nyensya.
Otakazo muri shomero tire kigendererwa tukabanke bihuguhugu butterflies ebihuguhugu numbimanya ekihuguhugu kitwarwa obuyaga kuko abadoroku nacho niyo kikutora
arwebizimbe ebiryo kubikureba nk'ebiryo omusiramu kumwako biringuruza mwabireba emwe byine bisika bikondami konkaba obizo mwisha mwaza kubikoraho.
Ishomero rikatanduka mu hagwara ku 19 kandi sente ziri kurenga miliyoni 20 nizo zurundinwe. Umugandi abakugokurwa mu kitongore cya UNEB bari hakushomesa abashomesa ba secondary mu district ya Rubirizi ahankorensi yo kushomesa abana kandi cyona kigenderero ko abana n'abashomesa obukugo buru kumara kandi okushoma kukorirwa hari ndeke secondary school.
Twine byinje bitwembi tukonfusinga umuntu curriculum age akubanora nensya tukajetegereza ngo tube perfect konka ibiro bishate bitwayisa yine cyango ekitwayetegerezemo
gensya ne ikiriza ninga ne allowing abana okukora ki okufayo munonga kufayo kutiyukora kweyambageta critical thinking.
Since we are waiting for our candidates in 2024, the senior fours in 2024, in a competency-based curriculum. So we are training the teachers on how to assess the learners in a competency-based curriculum.
Abahona bongere batugambira ubuzibu bari kusingayo kubugana mu kushomesa mu bwirobo.
Yes, ebizibu biriyo obutwabire nshoma university bakashomesa a bit of the new curriculum. Biche munonga bakwata ahiguru, mostly the how to make the schemes of work and the lesson plan via new curriculum. Only that, chonkati kwenye mu field nasanga ibintu binyine kore bya new curriculum ni byinji munonga compared to what I studied at university.
Ekindi kubagire kureta curriculum agency twarabanze kureta materials omwishomero. Ite tukaza kuyika ishomero twashanga curriculum hindukire barete bitabona byo tuvukumara akwade ya some subjects no shangamo subject ine bitabo binabyonka. The challenges, number one, some of the teachers do have a negative attitude towards the curriculum, which is not so good because they have learners in their classes.
Ubwo hata abashomesa b'amashomeri 18 gase niyo mu district ya Rubirizi nibo bari hakushomesebwa Gashakwa Juliet Charles Sima na Onesmus India nabo.